So I'm Dr. Jo Porter and I'm the Acting Director at the ICIT Heriot University campus based in Stromness in the Orkney Islands. So this week I was very keen to present a piece about our recent work on the Orkney Blue Carbon Audit Project. And this is a project that's been funded by the Scottish Government, and it's the first audit of its kind at the regional scale and in the level of detail that we've gone into to look at different habitats dominant in Orkney waters.
That sounds really interesting, and I imagine it's been quite a lot of work. So have you done a lot of kind of ground truthing or data mining? How have you gone about that?
So there were different stages to the project, and first of all we did some data mining to try and get together available information from sources of data that are available publicly, and then we interviewed people locally that we thought might have important data sets as well to see if they'd be willing to share, and luckily some of them were, so that was really helpful. And then there were some actual gaps in the data which were quite significant, which we felt we needed to actually go out and get some data to fill those gaps so that we could actually do a reasonable first estimate of the blue carbon values.
That sounds really great, and that you've had a lot of involvement from people all around the islands. In terms of challenges, I imagine there were quite a few with such a big project. Could you tell us a little bit about them for such an audit?
Yeah, the challenges came mainly in when we came to do the actual mapping of the extent of the habitats, because while there was quite a few records of point data of where we know actual habitats are, there was also quite a lot of gaps in that data, and so then we end up doing a prediction model, which of course it predicts where things could be, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they are actually there. So that introduces a level of uncertainty into the analysis. So basically the more actual data you've got, the better and more robust your prediction model can be going forward. So we've developed prediction models for quite a few of the habitats, and we'd like to improve them in the future by going out and doing some ground truthing to check that where the model says things are, there are actually things there.
That's really fantastic. In terms of the habitats that you've had predicted and maybe ones that you've found, is there anything that through all this work you've discovered a site on Orkney that maybe was quite understudied and you found very interesting in particular?
Well, I think in the last couple of years it's fair to say that we've been able to get more information about flame shell beds, and that's been a fairly recent thing. There weren't a vast lot of records on flame shells, but it seems now that people know what to look for, and so if other people are doing surveys, sometimes they'll phone up and say, look Joe, I've got video footage, I think it's flame shells, will you come and have a look? So the word is getting around, and we're starting to get more records coming in from different sources, which is really interesting. Especially the archaeological surveyors have started bringing videos to show me, and we're starting to see that there's quite a lot of flame shells occurring around some of the archaeological sites, which we didn't know about before.
That's really interesting, and it's been really great hearing about the audit. Thank you for talking to us.
Thank you.